All right, ladies, got a new toy for the family. I've been kind of really doing a lot of research, and I wanted to get into the overlanding and camping and up into the mountains with the family. I go a lot with my buddies and the dirt bikes and stuff, but it's usually just me and my buds. So now I wanted to bring the family out and get them camping and into the mountains and do some overlanding. I did look at a lot of different options, a lot of the Toyotas, even the Jeeps, but the entry price was just so expensive, and I needed something that still had all the bells and whistles, but I could fit in my budget. So I found this Nissan Frontier. It's a 4x4, no locking diffs, but I could always add an ARB locker in the future if I really need a locking diff. So not a bad truck. 4x4 has everything that I need to a platform to build a good overlanding rig. And here it is. Picked it up about a week ago, but not too bad. Pretty excited. It's a new endeavor for me to go overlanding, so pretty excited. It's got the track system for the bed, spray and bed liner, factory, 4x4, 16-inch wheels, tons of little storage and pockets I can put stuff. So here it is, the new rig that I plan to outfit for overlanding. Got some tires and wheels coming, hopefully. Put a nice lift kit on it and start from there. Suspension lift, and take it from there. Hopefully have a nice rig. Here's the inside. Power windows, pretty basic. It's got a crack on the dash, but I didn't care. And it comes with came with the air horn. Pretty cool. There's the 4x4 switch. So pretty sweet interior. No major holes or tears or anything. But more importantly, I could get the kids out. They can come out and do some overlanding. So it's a new adventure for me. Pretty excited. Get some roof racks, figure out some kind of configuration for the bed. I don't know if I want a rooftop tent or kind of just go with the ground tent and see what works best, but you know, the fridge versus the cooler, all that stuff is in the works, so we'll see how it ends up. The first thing I'm going to do is start with the suspension and do the at least 33 wheels and tires, set up with at a minimum 3-inch lift, or maybe that 6-inch Rancho lift, I don't know, but that's the first thing I have in the works towards the lift kit, bigger wheels and tires, and we'll just take it from there. So pretty excited. I've always wanted to do the overlanding thing, so this will be my platform, my base, and then we'll just take it from there. At a minimum, I wanted a 4x4 with a ladder frame, so pretty good flat platform to start off with. And the entry price on this, I got it for a little over $8,000 bucks. $8,000 for a 4x4 truck, ladder frame, and a fairly good rig to start off with. So the Toyotas, the minimum for a 4x4 was about 14, 15, 16,000 for generation 2. Forget about a generation 3, you're into the late 20s, early $30,000 range. I just didn't want to spend that much money for something I'm gonna bang up, hit on rocks and bushes and stuff. So 8,000 bucks, not too bad. I wouldn't mind if it gets scratched up, dented up, or whatever. So plus I can always rebuild the engine and transmission and just keep it and then take it from there. All right, ladies, thanks for your time.